For years, we've introduced product after product on Kickstarter to help you build a chef-quality kitchen in your home at an unreal price. It all started with the Misen chef knife, but so many of you have asked us, what's the best way to store it? Or any knife? Doesn't fit. Nope, doesn't fit. A jar, really? Loose in a drawer? Ugh. Let's think outside the box. Introducing Misen Modular Knife Storage. A radically new modular system to safely and securely store your knives. It works with any size of knife, any number of knives, any brand of knife, any size of drawer, any style of kitchen. Individual magnetic pieces click together to keep your knives sharp, organized, and always within reach. Big knives go here, small knives here. They bring much needed order to the chaos of the kitchen. Knife got some schmutz? Just rinse the piece later with soap and water. Unlike your wooden knife block. It's made from a high-end, durable, impact-resistant, engineered thermoplastic that won't dull your knives or show scratch marks.
Smart.
The base is weighted, so they won't shift around in the drawer or on the counter. Kid-proof too.
And one of our favorite things, because of the magnets, it feels like magic when you pop the knives in or you take them out. They snap into place, keeping them safe and secure until you're ready to use them again. It's like an AirPod case, but for your knife.
Your needs in the kitchen change over time. We wanted to create a storage solution that can adapt with you. It took nearly 2 years of design and research. We tried 300 different magnet combos until we found the one that can link the pieces and hold the knife in place, and look sleek and cool in every kitchen.
I'm Michael, Misen CEO. Our goal with this product, and every product, is for you to buy it for life. It's beautiful, durable, and you can add and adjust as necessary. Knife blocks and knife strips are one size fits all. And one size doesn't fit all. Till now. It works for everyone, no matter what situation you're in. And you can be one of the first to get your hands on the Misen Modular Knife Storage by backing us on Kickstarter.